Here, in this session, the objective of learning this session is, first we will try to understand what is VAT. Next, key features of VAT. What are the features of VAT? Next, why is VAT implemented in UAE? What is the reason? Okay. Next, we will understand how VAT works, how the VAT mechanism it will works. We'll try to understand in today's discussion. And how to VAT registration in UAE, how to register for the VAT. What are the conditions? What is the procedure? What are the documents required? We'll see all in the practical, the real scenario. Next, here we'll try to understand what is the exempted and zero rated supplies. So there is a standard rate for the VAT, 5%. As along with that, we have exempted and the zero rated supply. And we will try to understand VAT compliance and filings. So we have 10 sessions for the VAT, okay, consisting of 6 hours, 2 hours each session, or 3 hours, 2 sessions. So we go slow with a proper speed. So we need your full involvement in the class.